Hey guys, Tyler here. So today we have a Skreem module from a Chrysler that we're going to use to pull the pin on so I can show you. Tip number one, don't cut the box open like this. I did this because this is a test module and I'm never going to be putting it back into a vehicle again. But you're going to want to look up diagrams and locate where the chip is that you're trying to access, which in this case is this 8-leg chip right there. So you just want to make a small incision just so you can get this clip inside to clip onto the chip and nothing more. If you do, you risk cutting into the wiring and all that. So anyway, moving on. So we're gonna go move to the required part. So you're gonna need your EEPROM adapter, the red PCB that's attached to the EEPROM adapter, as well as the rainbow cable and the blue SOIC 8 clip. You're also going to need the power adapter for your machine to plug into this little 12-volt connector that's coming off of the main cable. If you plug it directly into the tablet, it won't work, so make sure you're plugged into this little female port coming off the main cable. So our target device is going to be this one right here. I'm not going to be able to get it to zoom in on it. The text is very faded as well, but by eye I can read it. The chip is a 95040 chip. So because I know this, I know I have to plug into this middle port right here, which is the 25/95XXX port. So plug the rainbow cable into that, plug the other side into the blue clip, make sure the little bumps on the clip are facing the outside on both sides. It doesn't matter which side you plug into as long as those bumps are facing the outside. Our brown wire is going to be our first pin. Again, text is very faded, so I can't really show you, but if I angle the text to be right side up, which would be this way, the first pin is going to be our bottom left leg. So I'm going to line the brown wire up with the bottom left leg here. So let's go ahead and do that. Oops. All right, so now we got our clip on there. And by the way, there will be a clear coat over the chip that you're going to have to clean off to make a good connection. So use like a key file or acetone and a toothbrush is good as well, just to get that. Make sure you got a solid metal to metal connection. So we're going to go to other service and then EEPROM adapter. And we're going to go to read pin code, Chrysler. And there's several different options here. What the actual vehicle you're working on isn't too important. What matters is the chip that you're connecting to, which is in this case is a 95040. So Caravan is 95040, Liberty is 95080, and then under other we have 24C02 and 24C16. So in this case I'm working on a 95040 chip, so I'm going to go under Caravan, select that, hit read from chip, hit OK. It says whether to save data, so I can back up the bin file that I'm reading just in case I ever plan on servicing this in the future. I don't, but I'll show you anyway. So you hit yes, and you can name it whatever you want, your customer's name. I'm just going to put Skreem, which you can also, or Skim, doesn't matter. Hit OK. It'll save it and then gives you the pin code right there. Right, so if I ever need to access this in the future, I would go back to this file. Instead of hitting read from chip, I'd hit read from file, hit yes, and then select whatever you named it as, hit OK, and then it'll pull the pin code back up for you. So that's all there is to it. Have a nice one, guys. Bye.